I came to Farmington for a couple of different reasons. I'm from Maine. I really liked the sense of community here, the reputation of the education program, and I really felt like I could be successful here. Anytime I tell somebody I go to UMF, their first reaction is, oh, that's where a lot of teachers have come from in my schools, or if it's another teacher, a lot of people say they wish they came to Farmington. I think that really lends itself to the program and how it's prepared us. We really get a lot of in-field experience and a lot of exposure to classrooms. Our program really ties in the community of Maine and what can we do for Maine as educators. In my student teaching, I've been able to make a lot of connections, not only with the staff and with my students. I've been able to make a great connection with my mentor, who I worked with previously in the past, so that I've been able to establish myself well in the school and in their community. I chose to be a special education teacher because I'm able to work with my students closely to individualize instruction for them as needed. I found that working with them, I'm able to really understand what they need and their strengths and use those to be an advocate for them and also be a cheerleader. I found it's really rewarding as a teacher to see these kids have a lot of success. In my field experiences, I've been able to see firsthand the results of teacher shortages in Maine, specifically in special education. Even though the profession is very demanding, it's also very rewarding and you're able to see student success every day. The education program at UMF prides itself on being able to send effective educators out in the community to make a difference in Maine for students and schools.